I was just sent this iron metal lantern. This is a really neat DIY lantern idea because you can have it set up like this, which is pretty on its own, or you can actually just take out this little insert and now you've got two pieces of decoration. So then you can either hang this up, you can leave it on a counter, put whatever decoration you want to display inside of there, and now you've got a whole separate decoration. But this gets even better on this side. Because of this little candle in here, they actually included batteries, and you can turn it on and it flickers and you can actually see the little flame moving around in there. And that is so cute. This is just a really nice design that would make any room just add a little bit of extra decor and prettiness to it with the black metal. And then you've got your glass over here. So you can actually hang this on the inside here where this is then floating. You have that part on there, and then you can have that piece of decor that's just sitting like this. Or like I said, you can take that apart and have it just sitting. This has just got a really, I really like how you can do this in different areas. This, you've got your nice soft pad on the bottom, so that way it's not going to rub on any of your furniture. And with the metal, you can leave this outside